Hi guys, I want to share with you my latest home find, this towel warmer bucket, and let's go I show you how it works.
You can set a timer for 30, 60, or 90 minutes and also switch between low and high temperature settings. Everything is very intuitive. The heating starts right after turning it on. Within a minute, you can feel the warm air inside, and in just 5 to 6 minutes, the towels become hot, like in a spa. Look how spacious it is. It's very convenient. I can fit up to 4 towels inside. What's especially nice is the even heat distribution. There are no cold spots at all. I even added some aromatic capsules. There's a special compartment for them, and the towels come out smelling like a luxury spa. The device works completely silently, no buzzing or overheating. It has an automatic shut-off feature, so you don't have to worry if you forget to turn it off. I also love the secure locking lid. It's very safe if you have kids. The design is modern and minimalist, and it fits beautifully into the bathroom interior. I chose the basic version, and it fully met my expectations. Now I can't imagine my mornings without a warm towel. It feels like a small luxury every single day. Highly recommend.